Hello, Paysbook Nation, and hello, world. This is your coach, Romeo Rovillos, and thank you guys for watching. Okay. New Year is coming, so ngayon pa lang, guys, I would like to greet you a happy New Year. Alright? I hope and wish that all your wishes will come true on the next year to come. Alright? So today, guys, we would like to quickly show you on how are you going to transfer activation codes from your account to your downlines using the mobile device. Okay, so I'm using my Android phone, guys. So let me give you the guide or the step-by-step process on how to do it, and then what are the things that you need to uh, check. Okay. Number one. Okay, let's proceed. Number one, you have to know if there are available codes on your account. And you can see it here down below. Summary, available codes. So, meron tayong 13 available codes. Alright? Now, one thing is for sure is you need to check as well if that downline na bibigyan mo ng activation code is registered sa yung link. Alright? So, go to the dashboard. So, hit nyo lang guys yung tatlong line on the upper left and then go to subscribers. Okay, so hit subscribers. And then after subscribers guys, makikita mo yung list of people who signed up on your referral link. Alright? Now, kung wala dyan yung nag-sign up, it only means na hindi siya nag-sign up sa link mo. Alright? So, ang bibigyan natin ngayon ng activation code is si Kimberly Cloud. She's a very good friend of mine and decided to start with one account. So, kakopy natin guys yung username niya. Okay, nandiyan din yung number niya. Baka gusto niyo siyang i-contact to know and then start as well here on Facebook. Alright? So, there, and then hit nyo ulit yung tatlong line on the upper left. Go to codes. Alright? So, codes and then hit transfer code. Okay? And then, on transfer code, makikita nyo guys kung nandyan na yung list ng codes nyo. Actually, nakapag-transfer na pala ako ng isa sa kanya. Oh. But, let's do it again. So, hit transfer codes and then 1 and then select quantity kung ilan. So, since 1 lang talaga siya. And then, yung username na kinapin natin doon sa subscribers list. Ngayon guys, ipopost ko lang tong video and then ilalagay ko yung pin ko. Now, after putting the pin, of course, hit transfer and then you will get a notification na na-transfer na siya. Alright? So, there you go. Ipopost ko muna siya, guys. Okay, guys. So, before pala, bago nyo i-hit yung, or pagkatapos yung i-hit yung transfer, may tanong doon kung would you like to transfer this activation code. Syempre, hit yes or no. Kapag no, syempre, kapag ayaw nyo mag-proceed yung transfer. Kapag gusto nyo naman i-transfer or kailangan nyo na talagang i-transfer, then hit yes. Alright? Now, ito yung guys, yung na-transfer natin today. So, that's 12:29 to my very good friend Kimberly. Alright? So, there you go, guys. That's very simple. Okay? Very simple steps on how to transfer an activation code into someone's account. Alright? Kasi, syempre, kapag hindi tayo nag-transfer ng code, meaning inactive pa yung account nila kapag hindi pa siya na-activate. So, this activation code is needed to activate an account. Literally. Alright? So, there you go guys. Kapag naghahanap kayo ng leader here on Facebook, I'm an active leader of Team Champions and you can also contact Kimberly if you have any questions. Just let me know as well. Iiwan natin yung Facebook link natin dyan and then you can also make comments into this YouTube video. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. And again, this is your coach, Romeo Rovillos. Happy New Year again, and bye for now. Bye, Facebook Nation.